How to fix emails not showing up on your iPhone. So if you're missing a specific email or a set of emails, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this. Now, first just head over to your home screen and load up the settings. You then need to click on your profile name, click on iCloud. Where it says Save to iCloud, click on Mail. Make sure Use on this iPhone is turned on like you see here. You can then come back over to the main settings page. Now scroll right down to the bottom and click on Apps. Scroll down again until you see the app called Mail and go and click on Mail like so. Click on Mail Accounts and here you'll find all of the email accounts that are linked to your iPhone. Now go and select the account that you're having issues with. Make sure Mail is turned on like you see here. If it's already turned on and it's still not working, you can press Delete Account and click on Delete from my iPhone. Once it's been deleted, we can come back over to Mail Accounts, click on Add Account. You can then select Choose from a list and now you'll need to go through the steps to re-add your email to your iPhone. If it's still not working, head back over to Mail Accounts and click on Fetch New Data. Make sure Push is turned on like you see here. You can then head back over to your Mail and you can check to see if that solved the issue. If it's still not working, click on the arrow in the top left hand side. You can then scroll down to your junk folder and click on this. Now just make sure the email's not accidentally landed in your spam or your junk folder. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. So let's go and open back up the settings on your phone. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Scroll back down to the Mail app and go and reopen this. You can then scroll down to where it says Privacy Protection and select this. Make sure Protect Mail Activity is turned off and also Hide IP address, make sure this is switched off as well. Once you've done this, that should have now fixed any mail issues. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.